Take a deep breath, slowly, through your nose, letting your lungs expand fully as your body relaxes into the rhythm. No, really, pause for a second and give it your full attention. In through the nose and out through the mouth. It probably feels simple at first, almost automatic, like something you've been doing correctly all your life. But here's the wild part. Most people do this basic life-sustaining act wrong every single day. And now, science is finally explaining why that matters more than we ever thought. This isn't just about breathing too fast or too shallow. It's about how your body responds to the way you breathe, and how poor breathing habits might be silently wrecking your focus, sleep, energy, and even your mental health. And wait till you hear how fixing it can lead to measurable improvements in brain function and oxygen delivery in just a few weeks. Let's start with the basics. Your body has two main modes when it comes to breathing: nasal breathing and mouth breathing. Nasal breathing is the natural, built-in system designed to filter, humidify, and regulate airflow. It activates nitric oxide production, a gas that helps expand blood vessels and increase oxygen efficiency. Mouth breathing, on the other hand, skips all that. It's like bypassing a complex purification system and sending unprocessed air straight into your lungs. Now here's where it gets interesting. Studies have shown that people who primarily breathe through their mouths often experience disrupted sleep, dry mouth, poor oxygen exchange, and even structural changes to their jaw and airway over time. And yes, over time, this pattern of dysfunctional breathing can increase your body's baseline anxiety levels and stress response. One research team found that switching from mouth to nose breathing actually reduced stress hormone levels in just minutes. And then there's the carbon dioxide myth. Most of us think of CO2 as a waste gas to get rid of, but science is showing that it's actually essential for proper oxygen uptake. When you breathe too quickly or exhale too forcefully, you blow off too much CO2, which can cause your blood vessels to constrict, meaning less oxygen gets to your brain and muscles, not more. This is part of why elite athletes, Navy SEALs, and even monks practice controlled nasal breathing. It's not just calming. It enhances endurance, cognitive clarity, and emotional regulation. And it all comes down to using your diaphragm properly, slowing down your breath, and letting your body find its rhythm again. Here's something even more surprising that many people, and even some doctors, overlook. Kids who mouth breathe during sleep are more likely to develop behavioral issues, misaligned teeth, and concentration problems. Pediatricians are now urging parents to correct mouth breathing early, not just for physical development, but for brain development as well. This isn't just about personal wellness, it's about long-term public health. As researchers dig deeper into the link between breath and mental clarity, posture, immunity, and even emotional resilience, the idea of breathing right is becoming as important as sleep or nutrition. Hospitals, schools, and performance coaches are starting to treat breathing as a core function worth training intentionally. Here's the good news. It's fixable. With simple daily exercises like breath holds, box breathing, and consciously switching to nasal breathing throughout the day, people have reported huge changes in how they feel. They've reported better sleep, clearer focus during the day, and a noticeable reduction in brain fog that used to slow them down. And in some cases, even changes to facial structure and posture over time. This is why breathwork is gaining attention across multiple fields, from elite sports and mental health therapy to recovery clinics and mindfulness research. It's simple, it's natural, and it's backed by hard science. You don't need a fancy device or an oxygen mask to fix your breathing. It really just starts with awareness, a few intentional habits, and maybe a little discipline to stick with it. But the payoff can be surprisingly transformative for your entire body and mind. Think about it. We breathe over 20,000 times a day. If even a fraction of those are dysfunctional, your entire system is operating below its potential. If you improve that rhythm, even a little, everything else starts to fall into place. If this fascinates you, check out our video titled, "Scientists Just Found a Hidden Organ in Your Body," and it's shocking. In that one, we break down another surprising discovery inside your body that scientists had overlooked for centuries.